In today's video, I'm going to teach you Genspark AI tutorial 2026, how to automate design, slides, and emails, beginner guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a project, guide the AI with a clear prompt, refine the results, and take your finished work with you. This walkthrough is beginner friendly, and I'll share practical tips so you get great results on your very first try. Start by opening Genspark and creating a new project tailored to the task you're tackling. Think of a project like a workspace. It keeps your assets, drafts, and versions together. Give it a concise name that describes the outcome you want so it's easy to find later. If you're returning to an existing idea, you can open that project instead. Otherwise, a fresh project helps you stay focused. Next, choose what you want to work on first. Design, slides, or email content. Pick one so Genspark can load the right canvas and tools. Designs are great for social graphics, banners, or thumbnails. Slides are ideal for short decks, pitches, or lesson overviews. Email content focuses on subject lines, body copy, and structure. You can always circle back and create the other assets once the first one is nailed. Now enter a clear prompt explaining what you want Genspark to make. Be specific about audience, tone, goal, and any constraints. For example, state the topic, the length you need, any brand colors or fonts to consider, and the action you want the viewer or reader to take. If you have key points, list them in natural sentences. Clarity up front saves time later. When in doubt, include examples of the style you like, such as friendly and concise, professional and data-driven, or bold and minimal. When the result generates, review it with intent. For visuals, scan, layout, contrast, and readability. For slides, check title clarity, logical flow, and pacing. For emails, verify the subject line, call to action, and scannability. If something feels off, note what and why. This will guide your refinements. Use the built-in tools to refine until it's ready. Adjust tone, rewrite sections, tighten or expand text, and apply style presets. Tweak colors, spacing, and hierarchy so key information stands out. In slides, reorder or split dense content. In emails, shorten paragraphs and clarify benefits. Iterate in small passes, previewing after each change. Finally, export or copy the finished result for work use. Choose the format that fits your workflow. Name your file clearly and keep a version copy. Do a quick final proof, then you're done. That's it. Create your project, choose your asset type, prompt clearly, review, refine, and export.